How to change the region on iPhone. Let's go, guys. It's simple. You'll start by clicking here on Settings. On this page, scroll down, go to the General option, click on General, and scroll down again. Keep scrolling and you'll find this option called Language and Region. You can click here. Notice that here in the region section, in my case, it's set to United States, okay? To change the region, you click here. Go ahead and click. A list of countries will appear, okay? You can simply click, search for the country here and click on it. Or for example, if you want to select a specific country, the specific region you want, for example, if I want Brazil, I can type Brazil. It will show up below. I just click it and it will ask if I want to change the region to Brazil, okay? So I'm going to click here, change it, wait a moment, it will be updated and you'll return to this page. As you can see here, the region is already set to Brazil. And if I want to change the language here, guys, it's very simple. Up here, you have the preferred language, in this case, English. If I want to set it to Portuguese or Spanish, for example, just click here on these three little bars, okay? Click on the 3 bars, hold for a moment, and then just drag it up, okay? Put it in the first position here. Once it's in the first position, if you really want to change the iPhone's language as well, just click on Continue to apply this new setting. Remember that your iPhone will restart, okay? So that's how you change the language and region on your iPhone.